everyone, today I'm going to be unboxing Kirby Star Allies for the Nintendo Switch. As you can see, this is how the front of the case look like. This is rated E for everyone. If we go to the back, you can see here that it says turn foes into friends with a little heart and a whole lot of Kirby. Swap friends' ability to find the way forward. Team up and combine friends' abilities. And as you can see here, you can play up to 4 players. So now let's remove the plastic and get it unboxed. Okay, so these are some really nice art inside the case, as you can see there. That's how it looks. And now this is the game itself. Let's take a closer look. So this is how it looks. Nintendo Switch, Kirby Star Allies. There you go. So now let's insert the game into the Switch and take a first look of the game. So here, this is my Switch. As you can see right there, it pop up immediately. So now let's check if we have any software update available before we start. So we press the plus button, we go down to software update and we check by the internet, and there you go, it is downloading a new update for the game before we start. So we can go back home and then you can see there that it's downloading. So now let's wait for that to finish. Okay guys, as you can see there, it just finished downloading. So now we can start the game. But before we do that, let's collect some coins. You're gonna press the plus button, and then we're gonna go to where it says my Nintendo reward program, and then you're gonna go to where it says earn points. And after you select your profile, it's gonna give you the points. As you can see there, it's gonna give me 60 coins. So tap the A button again so you can earn your points for this game. There you go, we have successfully earned 60 points. So now we can go back and start the game. So this is the startup menu. So we're gonna press the letter A so we can begin. So we're gonna be doing the story mode. Okay guys, so this part here looks like similar to Mario games. Okay guys, so we're gonna be playing through the first level, so you can see how everything looks. So you can see here we absorb his power. So now he has become our friend, since I throw a heart at him. Here we go, we have another little friend. So here we have new abilities, thanks to our little friend. To your friends. You can make them a little more stronger. Okay guys, so this is gonna be enough. I have done the unboxing and the first look of Kirby Star Allies. So thank you very much for watching my video. If you like my video, please click the like button. You can also subscribe to my channel to get more content. If you have any question, please leave it down below. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.